under the palm trees in the California sun. Sand underneath our feet, the morning's just begun. I don't remember much from the night before, just from the human touch, and now I want more. And now my memory slowly coming back, cracks a smile upon my face, but then it all turns black. Something about tonight, now it's gonna be your last. And now my mind is a mess, my heart is pounding fast. Oh, I wish that you could stay. I don't care about the other one, I don't care about what you've done. Oh, I wish that you could stay.
Good morning. We are on the gas station right now because we were horse riding in the morning and now we need some gas.
How did you like the horse riding?
I think it was nice. I had a very big horse. His name I'm not sure was Aces. Really, really cute and really nice. And I felt very safe. So.
Yeah, so that was a very cool experience. I got a little bit cold feet, like in a literal sense.
Me too.
Because they were like pointing ahead all the time.
Yeah.
The rest was fine, body was super cool, and the horse was also warm. So I had my cowboy hat, and he told me that I looked like a professional cowboy. So he approved of it. And they had a super cute daughter. She was also like 6 years old maybe or something, or younger. And she had super tiny, super cute cowboy boots as well. Huh? They look really fancy.
Yeah, really cute.
Yeah. Ah, look at the sky. That's perfect, huh? Short break is over. Ready for a small hike.
So parking is full.
Yes, more complicated than expected.
Yeah.
I thought we were maybe lucky and people were just leaving for lunch or whatever. But there are still people driving into the parking, so let's see, let's just try it.
Yeah.
It's wish us luck, we need a parking spot.
Perfect!
Nice! I told you, we have good karma. Almost in first row. Perfect! So, ready for the hike?
Yeah.
Watchman Trail. I found it. Where's your horse?
Yeah.
Was a lot more relaxed and easygoing with a horse.
Yeah.
No more people. Just takes you 5 minutes to get away from all the people. It's weird, huh?
Yeah.
Such a big parking spot, so many cars. And just,
You have so many trails you can walk or hike.
yeah, that's true. I think ours is going to be up here. That's going to be the destination of today. Up here, so not too high. Let's see. Should be a nice view. It's surprisingly hot.
Yeah. I'm thirsty.
Thirsty? Well, you have enough water. Just keep drinking, because then your backpack will be lighter and lighter. First little break.
It's very warm. Safety hand.
Yes, always. You made it, huh?
Made it.
Yes. We saw a wedding proposal on the way. They were waiting for us. She saw me and still said yes to him, so lucky him. Into the canyon.
changing.
Yeah, but this one over there is just stuck in the wall. I think that's not a problem. This is our seating spot. Made it. Easy. Made it, and now we are already on our way back because there's supposed to be some rain. So Natasha is already in going home mode. I like the hike. It was an easy 1 hour thing and the views were nice. Tomorrow will be the best day for quite a while, I think. This will be a lot of adrenaline. So that was a very good hike in the afternoon. Do you want to end day number 9 right now?
We had a great day, I would say. It started not that good because I had stomach problems. But after that, we went to the horseback riding. This was really nice. And now this little hike, I was also scared, but I did it. And yeah, the weather is nice. And now we go back to our little caravan wagon. And I would say see you tomorrow.
Okay, bye bye.
Difficult, I never really know what is going on. Let me know what I already don't, I'd be grateful. Yeah, we'll talk when you're ready. I have heard one too many of your sad little stories, and I'm over it now. Listen, I'm your remedy, get you out of your shell and your dwelling. Listen, I can be the one, but you gotta let me inside. Run me out, you always try to flee, but you can't see that all I wanna know is why you always bring me down, why you always bring me. Hammering, I hold inside my head, let it drum on. Make a way through all your shitty stuff on your way out. Yeah, we'll talk when you're ready. I have heard one too many of your sad little stories, and I'm over it now. Listen, I'm your remedy, get you out of your shell and your dwelling. Listen, I can be the one, but you gotta let me inside. Run me out, you always try to flee, but you can't see that all I wanna know is why you always bring me down, why you always bring me. Rather than your way, far away from me.
What do you guys think of the flight?
Hello and good morning, people. We are standing on a butte right now because we had our helicopter tour and it was great, really great, but I'm super scared. I was so nervous, and this is a quick stop, and after that I think we have 5 more minutes or so before we are back. And yeah, the weather is amazing. I think it was the best decision to wait until today. And Johannes, of course, is flying the drone and take some epic shots for you. And is it epic?
What a start into a day, huh? That's,
I'll always be a champion of the ground. Can't take my
This is our last adventure for our trip here in Utah. It was amazing. Really amazing. Here you can see Johannes. I think this was one of our best trips we ever had. Yeah, we really in love with this country, and hopefully we have more time to see more of this beautiful country. That's it for now.
You could be my only one, 'cause you are the one that's treating me right. You could be my only one that's treating me right, 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 that's treating me right.
Made it. And I'm still alive.
Way too short. I want to go again right now. We made it. We made it. Well, made it. Of course, we made it.
Was this the best experience of our trip for you?
A little bit, yes. Not just of this trip, I think. This was a proper highlight now. Yeah, I want to go again. So next vacation, yeah, we have to go wherever we are, always. Yeah, and it didn't felt like a half an hour. Felt like going for 15 minutes or so. So I wanted to keep going.
So, let's go back to the airport.
Yes, now we have the more boring part of our trip. Unfortunately, because our vacation is ending, huh?
Yeah.
So we are heading back to Salt Lake City, which is like 4 hours. Then that's it for this vacation. Yeah, I don't think that we will film that anymore, huh? So let's end it with this one. So a highlight for the final part.
Yeah. So,
See you on the next vacation.
bye bye.
Bye bye.